Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI and I'm a girl on the go. So this 4-in-1 CHIVENIDO travel dispenser was an answer to my prayers. There's so many things that you need to make sure you bring with you when you are traveling, and that's why I love this. This is such an amazing design, really a brilliant concept. It has 4 separate compartments that you open the top, you pull them out. There are these cute little dispenser bottles, and it even has the milliliters marked on the side and an option to put the labels that it comes with. And then once all are filled, you close the top. It fits so easily in your toiletry bag. It has a little button that you press down. You can turn the main top to whatever you are wanting to get. I like how it has a lip that goes around the button, so you know it's not going to accidentally get pressed and make a mess. It is really a simplification of something that usually can be very frustrating, and I appreciate that. I think this is a great thing to have if you travel a lot, and that's my point of view.